Good evening and welcome to ALPS Global News. It's Tuesday, March 25th. I'm Sarah, and here are the top headlines this evening. From Malaysia, cold storage and giant supermarkets in Singapore have been sold to Malaysia's Macrovalue in a major 125 million Singapore dollar deal. Internationally, the United Kingdom reports its first case of bird flu in a sheep, sparking concerns over the potential for wider animal-to-animal transmission. And in Asia, Chinese electric vehicle powerhouse BYD has outpaced Tesla, posting a record-breaking revenue for 2024. We'll have more on these stories in just a moment. Now, over to Brian with the full report.
Thank you, Sarah. We begin in Malaysia, where Malaysia-based Macrovalue has acquired Singapore's well-known cold storage and giant supermarket chains in a deal worth $125 million. The acquisition marks a strategic expansion for Macrovalue into the Singaporean retail market, reinforcing its regional presence in the grocery sector. Turning to international news, the UK has confirmed the first-ever case of bird flu in a sheep. This unusual development has alarmed health authorities and researchers, who are now monitoring the situation closely amid rising concerns over interspecies transmission of the virus. And in Asia, Chinese electric vehicle giant BYD has achieved a historic milestone by surpassing rival Tesla in annual revenue for 2024. BYD's strong performance underscores China's growing dominance in the global EV industry, as the company reported record sales figures and expanding international market penetration. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Brian. To recap, Malaysia's retail footprint grows with a bold acquisition in Singapore. Health officials in the UK are on alert after a rare bird flu case in sheep, and BYD speeds ahead of Tesla in Asia's EV race. That's all for this evening's edition. Stay tuned to ALPS Global News for continued coverage and updates. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more breaking news. Good night.